today I'm going to install the FactionFab Axle-Back. No resonators, no mufflers. The 3.5-inch diameter and the double wall should give it a nice custom look. Should fill up the space in the cutouts in the rear. So no, it's going to be a whole different sound. Stock muffler is nice and quiet, but it's time to upgrade. Alright, so I'm going to loosen the bolts on the flanges using a 14mm deep socket and box wrench. Leave a few threads on there. Highly recommend safety glasses anytime you're working under the car or anywhere. Danger of debris or things flying around. All right. Do it on the other side. All right, I'm gonna try to get these hangers loose a little bit. One here and one right behind here. Start with this guy. I don't have a tool for this. Next time I'll just see if I can borrow one from the auto parts store. Get some silicone spray here. Might help. Look at that. So when I get that other one on, this thing's going to want to drop, so be aware, be careful. Okay. Okay, so that's why we leave the nuts on here. So that's our little balancing point. If I do end up getting it off. Hit me some here. I'm gonna need move this thing more than I because I don't have a tool, so I'm gonna have to just push this thing out. I'm resting the muffler on my arm here, so it doesn't drop on me. I wouldn't be under here if this thing was over the weight that this one is. And worked with somebody several years ago that wanted to be a hero and work on a transmission under a Volkswagen, and it dropped on him and suffocated him, killed him. He was just trying to help fix his daughter's car, but he was in a hurry and he killed himself, so be careful, please. See? Ta-da! I lived. So here's this big nasty thing, but does the job. It muffles the sound. Just so you're aware where those hangers are, and that silicone spray helped tremendously. So thank you, YouTube dudes, and I'm going to do this on the other side. Alright, there's a little compression gasket here. Need to remove on each side. I'm going to clean this up. Alright, just making sure there's no debris, burrs, or anything that'll cause a leak. And do it on the other side. Alright, so did a quick little test fit. There's some slightly different angles and lengths at the flange end. So I'll give you a little pointer here. This one, see, this is a one piece. This is going to go on the driver's side, and this is roughly the angle, what that'll look like. Then you see this one has, it ends up being just about a 90-degree, slightly different length and angle. That's going to go on the passenger side. Alright, let's see if we can do this. A little silicone on this posts here. Sorry, I'm probably hitting the camera with my big belly. You guys a little bit. Have that stupid hanger mount twisted up. It's gonna go nice there. So I've got the right sides on. Still hand tight. Oops, their nuts are probably 14, 15 rather. There we go. So 14 on the stock hardware, 15 on the FactionFab hardware. Okay, so plenty of play there. All right, so got the line pretty good. That hanger there got twisted up when I was removing the RV muffler out of here. So be aware of that. Make sure that that one is with the exhaust post down, and same with the one back there. All right, time for the other side. All right, the moment of truth. I'm gonna install the tips. So this will take some adjusting and tweaking. These are cut open so that they can be spread a little bit and get over the end pipe. And then it comes with this clamp, which we're gonna torque to 20 foot-pounds. Make sure you have that nut down to where you can tighten it easily.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
All right, here's my solution. Vice grips. So if you see this side a little out of round there, just gonna clamp this on here a little bit. And then give it a little pry. You see that helped a little bit. So I'll just, little bits only as needed just to get it on there. You should be able to get that going. All right, success, that worked. I'll give you the head-on shot so that you can see the alignment process. sticking out too far. It gives you about 3/4 of an inch of play. So I'm gonna see what it looks like all the way in.
Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Shut up and sit down.